Hello everyone and welcome to this tech updates. After experiencing widespread issues for approximately last 2 days, ChatGPT services are now being restored. There are thousands of users around the world reportedly problems while using ChatGPT. Many experience errors, messages, slow responses, failed conversations, and difficult accessing the services. However, according to the OpenAI's official status page, the company has resolved the incident and the affected services are now operating normally for the most users. If you were unable to use ChatGPT earlier, you should now be able to access it again. If you are still experiencing any issue, try refreshing the app or website, signing out and backing in, or waiting a few more minutes while the remaining system fully stabilizes. Outage like these can occasionally happen with large AI platforms, but OpenAI has confirmed that the issue has been addressed and services are returning to the normal. That's all for this breaking updates. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel Itfo, and turn on notification for the more technology news and updates, the last development. Thanks you for watching, and we will see you in the next update soon.